School of Ascension welcomes you all to day 62. Calling for protection. Every day, why should you ask for protection? From whom you have to ask protection? What is the way of asking protection? Why is it so important in this crucial time? Which time period is crucial? Now, from September 1st onwards, the Pluto enters Capricorn, and prophecies and even many galactic astrologers, many people are saying that 1st September onwards till 19th November, the Pluto will be in Capricorn, which is the toughest time for the entire earth. That is, the old systems, old belief systems, the 3D systems, the negativity, everything will be in its peak. It will start expressing itself, that madness, that craziness, unwanted things, unwanted energies, everything which is hidden, which is suppressed, all those lies will start coming out. And when they are exposed or when they are coming out, it will be like the bursting of this bubble, the bursting of the darkness bubble, and the exposure of all that suppression will be observed. Then the society, the surroundings may be chaotic. Even though you are surrounded by that chaos, you should be able to hold light, not only for yourself, even for your place. If possible, even for the planet Earth, you should be able to hold light so as to balance in that way. First of all, you should be protected from those negativities. The negativity which is erupting, which is coming out in the society, which is exposed in the society. Remember, all this negativity is existing on the earth since many years, many centuries. But now it is the last time, last call for the exposure of all that madness, last period. And it will expose everything. That is the importance of Pluto entering into Capricorn. And you should be able to hold light for entire earth. And if you are not affected by that negativity, it will be easy for you to keep the balance of energies, not only for yourself, even for the planet earth, even for your entire city. Remember why all of us are positioned at different places and different locations on Mother Earth. Why not all of us are positioned at the same place like that of an island of light? Why? Because you have chosen that work of holding light for a particular state, particular city, and in that way we have positioned ourselves in different parts of planet Earth so that we become beacon of light. So all these things, that means protecting yourself from the negativity is mandatory till the veil is lifted, till the matrix is removed. Remember, this veil, which is having lot of control mechanisms which are new to us, which are unknown to us, which we are slowly learning. All these things were installed here since 25,000 years. So this is new to us. We don't even know what type of technologies are controlling here. After jumping from our planet to this planet, that is Mother Earth, because we are very well advanced beings in our own planets. We have a very good track record in our planet that we can do anything. So with that track record, we came forward and we told Source that it's okay, don't worry, we are here, we are very good in understanding everything. We are very good in bringing out such type of planets, liberation, etc., etc. We told that to the source and we jumped onto this planet Earth. After coming down, we understood the syllabus is new. The syllabus, we are actually slowly discovering what is here, and we are understanding how to cross these obstacles, and we are studying it. We are only framing the textbook, we are only framing the exams, You only frame the question paper, you only have to write all the answers also. That is the most funniest thing here. You have to discover various ways to come out of these negativities, to cross all these obstacles. And we are in the last period of discovering or identifying and balancing everything. This is the reason why you should always, every day, you have to ask for protection. Light forces have given us a wonderful meditation called Protection Protocol Meditation, which is of 20 minutes duration and available on Jagrati channel in both English and Hindi. Every day do this meditation so that you are protected from all that negativity. Apart from doing this meditation, you can also ask Vaivamas and Archangel Michael to place a golden dome of protection around you, especially when you get up from the bed and even before going to the bed. Just it is a matter of one sentence. You have to call upon Vaivamas and Archangel Michael and ask them to place a golden dome of protection. It won't even take 20 seconds of your time. Suppose think that you have the habit of forgetting, of asking this protection. Then you write on a paper and stick it to the wall or somewhere in your bedroom. As soon as you get up, you will see that and immediately you ask it for protection, golden dome of protection. And before going to the bed, you will again see that paper which is stuck to the wall. Then again you can ask. It is one way to be reminded. You have to find out your own methods. And this protection protocol meditation, English and Hindi guided audio meditation links I will provide in the YouTube description box of this session, that is calling for protection every day. In this video description box, I will provide those two links also. You can utilize that. And actually, you are never a victim of negativity until unless you relax and you invite. You are very strong. You should be very strong on astral plane and physical plane, even at your subconscious mind. You are not actually prone to negativity. If you neglect asking for protection, and if you think that you are too busy and you cannot ask for protection, you cannot do a protection protocol, then that is the scope, or that is the point where you have given chance for them to enter, for the negativity to enter into your own aura, which will manifest at your physical plane, even at astral plane, even at your subconscious mind level, it will manifest. Remember, you are a very powerful light being. You create your own protection. Even you are the one who will break your own protection also. If you invite that negativity, definitely it will come to you. How do you invite? You don't invite knowingly. You don't invite intentionally. It happens unintentionally, unknowingly. What is that? You are always surrounded by many people and their thought processes. If you really want to be protected, you have to disconnect from their others' thought processes. That is the best method you can use is protection protocol. It will disconnect you from others' thought process, others' actions, others' energies also. So, if you call upon your protection every day, you need not worry. You need not think about anything else. You are always safe. So, you need not learn from other people's experiences. That is, okay, they are not doing meditation and they are not suffering from that negativity, or else something else. That means you think that protection is not necessary. It's okay. I can go. I can do it by myself. And you learning from other people's experiences. That means you see the remaining people how crazy the world is and how they are struggling and suffering. I will tell you, I don't know if the time doesn't permit me. Actually, see, suppose if I want to do grid work in any place, and because of some or the other reason, I was not able to finish that grid work. That is the person who are asked to do the grid work there, those local people, if they don't agree to that, or if they are not willing, or if they are busy because of certain reasons, and if they postpone the work, I have seen how the protection in that area was affected and what type of losses have occurred. I know that personally, I have seen that. Suppose if one stone was buried in that particular place, then I have seen how the lives are saved. I don't want to name the places also because it will be very scary and I don't want to share all those things. So protection is mandatory. Protection is mandatory in this type of crucial time period. So you do protection protocol every day. That is enough. And you need not bother about anything else. You are always under protection. Whatever is happening in the society, you just leave it. So you learn from other people's experiences. That's why I shared. If you are doing protection protocol every day, it will save you or it will protect you from unwanted negativity, disturbing energies, chaotic energies, etc. Whatever incidents happen, you should not lose your balance. You should be in a very balanced state and transmute that negativity by shining your light. If you feel bad about any incident which is occurring around you in the society, you build a buddhic column for that particular area or for that situation, or you do a peace meditation for that particular area. You are given all tools. And if you really want to help Mother Earth, you use that instead of both worrying about, oh, what happened there? No, it's very it's injustice, etc., etc. Stop grumbling about such type of things. You do your part. What is your part? You are here to anchor light. You are here to use various tools of light to heal Mother Earth, to heal yourself. Remember this point. Now we will listen in Hindi.
सबको नमस्कार। हर दिन हमें प्रोटेक्शन की क्या आवश्यकता है और हमें किससे प्रोटेक्शन के लिए पूछना है, आज जानेंगे। जब तक हम मैट्रिक्स के कंट्रोल में हैं, हमें अपने आप को हर दिन और हर रात प्रोटेक्शन करना पड़ता है और हमें ये प्रोटेक्शन खुद करना पड़ता है अपने आप के लिए। और हमें ये प्रोटेक्शन किससे लेना है, किसकी वजह से लेना है, ये है हर तरह की नेगेटिविटी से प्रोटेक्शन लेना है हमें, क्योंकि वेल के नीचे बहुत नेगेटिविटी है। ये अगले महीना सितंबर 1 से लेके नवंबर 19 तक प्लूटो फिर से कैप्रिकॉन में जाएगा। ये धरती पर ये 3D सिस्टम्स का एनर्जीज और ज्यादा रहेंगे तब, और नेगेटिविटी भी ज्यादा रहेगा। इस समय में हमें प्रोटेक्शन की जरूरत है। इस टाइम में यानी सितंबर 1 से लेके नवंबर 19 तक हमें अपना लाइट बहुत स्ट्रांगली होल्ड करना पड़ता है, इसलिए हमें प्रोटेक्शन की जरूरत है। हमें हर रोज प्रोटेक्शन प्रोटोकॉल मेडिटेशन करना है। ये मेडिटेशन जागृति चैनल में मिल जाएगा आपको, और इसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन जो बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा आपको। और किससे हमें प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए पूछना है, हमें मास्टर वाइवामस और आर्कएंजल माइकल से पूछना है। हर रोज हमारे चारों ओर गोल्डन डोम की सुरक्षा कवच से हमें घेरने के लिए। ये हर रोज सुबह उठने के बाद और रात को सोने से पहले इसकी प्रार्थना करनी है हमें भूलना नहीं ये। असल में हम किसी तरह के नेगेटिविटी के शिकार नहीं है, इस तल पे या कोई भी तल पे या अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में भी। अगर हम नेगेटिविटी को अलो करते हैं तो ही इसका विक्टिम बन जाते हैं हम। अगर हमें ये मालूम होता है कि हम कितने शक्तिशाली है, हमें कितना लाइट है, या हम अपने आप को किस तरीके से प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, अगर ये सब हम जानते हैं तो किसी भी तरह का नकारात्मकता हमें कुछ भी नहीं करेगा। इसकी चिंता करने की हमें जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा। और एक बात यह है कि बहुत से जन्म लेके ये बात सीखने से तो, अगर हम दूसरों के एक्सपीरियंसेस को देख के वो समझ के अपना लेसन सीख लिए तो हमारा कीमती समय बच जाएगा। यानी हमें बार-बार जन्म लेके सीखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा और हमारा एवोल्यूशन भी स्पीड अप हो जाएगा। आप हर दिन प्रोटेक्शन प्रोटोकॉल मेडिटेशन कीजिए और मास्टर बायवामस और आर्कएंजल माइकल से गोल्डन डोम ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन आपके चारों ओर डालने के लिए ज़रूर पूछिए। धन्यवाद।
We will sit in meditation as this is night time, and we will go to bed very soon. Now, after the meditation, we will say this affirmation for protection. Now, సో మెడిటేషన్ లో కూర్చుందాము. రాత్రి పడుకునే సమయం అయ్యింది కాబట్టి ఈ రోజు ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ ప్రొటెక్షన్ అఫర్మేషన్ ని చెప్పిస్తాను. ప్రతిరోజు ఉదయం లేవగానే అలాగే రాత్రి పడుకునే ముందు కూడా అడుగుతూ ఉండండి. కళ్ళు మూసుకొని కూర్చుందాం. Be with your breath. Close your eyes. Visualize your Sahasrara chakra shining like a brilliant ball of light just above your crown chakra, 6 inches above your crown chakra. మీ సహస్రార చక్రం పైన 6 అంగుళాల దూరంలో మీ సహస్రార చక్రకు అద్భుతమైన కాంతి పుంజం వలె మెరిసిపోతున్నది. నాతో పాటు సోల్ ఇన్వికేషన్ చెప్పండి. Say this soul invocation along with me. I am the soul. నేను ఆత్మను. I am divine light. నేను దైవిక కాంతిని. I am divine love. నేను దైవిక ప్రేమని. I am divine intent. నేను దైవిక సంకల్పాన్ని. I am fixed design by me the soul. నేను నా ఆత్మచే నిర్ణయింపబడిన స్థిర రూప కల్పనని. Say this affirmation for protection along with me. I call upon Vaivamass and Archangel Michael to place a golden dome of protection around me throughout the day and night. నాతో పాటు ఈ ప్రొటెక్షన్ అఫర్మేషన్ చెప్పండి. నేను వైవామస్ మరియు ఆర్కేంజల్ మైకేల్ను నా చుట్టూ ఒక బంగారు గోపుర రక్షణ పగలు మరియు రాత్రి ఏర్పరచమని అడుగుతున్నాను.
Lovia, 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 Lovia,
మీరు రిలాక్స్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ యొక్క గది చైతన్యానికి వచ్చేస్తూ మీ రూమ్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ కి వచ్చేస్తూ మీ రెండు చేతులు తీసి నెమ్మదిగా కళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. 5 seconds తర్వాత come to your room consciousness slowly. You can keep your palms on your eyes. You can open slowly after 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you for your support and participation.